What's up, guys? Welcome back to Arlie's Adventures. My name is Arlie, and today I'm bringing you a video. What am I doing today? Oh yeah, I'm in this barn area, and I haven't walked in there yet, but I just saw an owl fly out of here, so I'm gonna go look for a barn owl feather. Um, I like using feathers in ceremonies, and I especially like the barn owl feathers. Those are like my favorite, and usually I could find one. Usually I find them in the barn areas. Um, but yeah, so feather medicine. A lot of people use them in ceremonies. Indigenous people use them in ceremonies. My ancestors used them in ceremonies. And feathers are great for clearing energy. So I do have a small collection of feathers. There goes the owl. Look. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw it. Oh yeah, it's on that post. It's on that post right there. Let's see if I can flip the camera here. If not, I'm gonna have to cut. I'm gonna cut the video and turn the camera around. I'm recording from my iPhone 11 today. All right, look. It is a big bird. And my whole time that I've been here in Northern California, I haven't seen any hawks, any owls, and this is the first time that I see one, so this is a very special occasion for me. Let's see how close I can get to it. Okay, that's not a barn owl, that's a hawk. It looks like a red-tailed hawk. I love red-tailed hawks, and there's quite a few up here in Northern California, but this is the first one that I've seen. This isn't like an enclosed barn, but it still gives them shelter. They like staying in places like this. So I'm in a small town called McDowell, and yeah, it's an agriculture town. All right, I'm gonna cut video. The hawk is still there. Right there, boom. That was awesome. We were able to hear it. I don't think I'm gonna find a feather since I already walked around and I don't see one. But whenever you do find a feather, like if you ever run into a bird's feather, those are gifts from the universe. And of course, I never would injure an animal to get their feathers. All the feathers I have, I find. And yeah. No, there's nothing. All right, well, let me cut video and turn it around real quick. All right, yeah, so this I guess when you're recording on the iPhone, it doesn't have like a little button where you can just flip the camera. It has a button where I can take a picture. I ain't trying to take a picture of myself right now. So it's pretty cold out today, and it was snowing for a little bit, but then it stopped. It was a little windy too, but then it stopped. So it's a good day to spray fertilizer on the alfalfa fields. That farm life, guys, that farm life. You know, I absolutely like the farm life. Anything outdoors is good for me. You know, a little side money never hurt nobody, right? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. I found some lovely cows. Say what's up. Say what's up to my followers, yo. These are young heifers. Probably about a year old. Well, 5 of them are, the smaller ones. What's up? Come closer. I got good vibes. Hi. Y'all want a shower? Nice warm shower to wash off that crud. Wash off them eye boogers. Clean those ears. Brush your hair. That would sound nice, huh? You're so cute. You're so cute. I don't know if you guys can see what's happening over there. It's a huge flock of birds. This iPhone 11 zoom is pretty good. I wish I was still over there. That's where I was earlier. Over there. I would have had a good view of them.